The video today is going to be a bit different. It is based on the thoughts of some new age thinkers and spiritual teachers. This will really help you to take your life to the next level. Do stay with me to the end. I would like to share with you some 3 powerful affirmations which will really help you to make use of this phase to the best possible benefit. First I was thinking of keeping this with myself, because some may believe what I am going to say, some may not believe what I am going to say. But if those who are believing, what if those principles, if they apply and their life transforms, how will it be? So I have 2 what ifs. One, what if somebody listens and their life gets transformed, or what if somebody doesn't listen and they don't follow it. So there are both possibilities, but I thought of thinking about the positive possibilities. Let somebody get benefited. This thought happened because today morning I saw a video of a friend. Very wonderful sharing. Actually, this wonderful person, she was praying for a good husband. She had fixed in her mind what are the attributes she wanted in her ideal husband, and she not only fasted for it for about 1 days. She fasted, and she also prayed for herself and 4 of her friends. And when that 5-week period got over, she got a very good proposal, and she was able to marry the husband of her dreams. Not only that, her 4 friends also got an ideal match. So that video generated a thought in me. Instead of keeping this, what I am going to share with myself, if I can share to more of my friends, I can pray for those who are seeing this video that let their life also get transformed. Let their life also go to the next level. So today actually, you would have seen in the paper also that some of this Jupiter and Saturn are coming close. Actually, I am not such a big fan of astrological events. I don't believe so much in astrological events. But if there is something, a very celestial event, and if there is something which is going to benefit me, definitely I have a second look at it. What if what good they are saying, if it happens true, my life can get even more better. If there is anything positive which can be taken out from a celestial event, definitely I'll make use of it. I'll see what is positive. So I thought this very powerful celestial event can be used for the benefit of self and for others also. This December 2020 is a very magical day. You know that? Because happens after a long time. Normally what they say, the Jupiter and Saturn come close once every 20 years. But generally what it happens in what they say is Earth sign. But tonight it's happening in the sign of Aquarius, which indicates a new age of Aquarius. So what does it mean for you? What it means is very high frequency energies are going to enter, and we are connected with the earth. Everyone will be highly blessed with very high frequency energy. So if you can really tune to that, be open and receptive to that energy, to the frequency, we will be very highly benefited. Our life can really get transformed. But here, actually it's not only this high frequency energy will help in the formation of a new earth. Because now what we are is in the 3D level of consciousness. The 3D level of consciousness is a consciousness of separation. I am separate from you. We are all different individuals. We operate from the basis of ego or anything. It's only individual to individual. There is a thing of separation. We are all different. But in the 5D level of consciousness, what happens is we transcend our level of consciousness to start seeing the world that we are all one spirit in different bodies. The same universal spirit within us is what is giving the life to all the bodies. We will be starting through that universal spirit eyes. The earth consciousness itself is uplifting our energy so that you can see from that level. But when this happens, when the earth itself shifts its axis, like this, all this various things are celestial events happen, lot of internal emotions can come up. So here what happens is, the only antidote, best antidote for that is love. Express, show wholehearted love to all the emotions which come up, to the wounded parts of you, or any events which is not to your satisfaction. Keep on expressing love, the higher self love, to all those which is happening, and then automatically you will be easily able to tide over the face. And some three affirmations which if you can repeat to yourself, it will help in uplifting the level of consciousness. The affirmations are: I am ready for the blessing, I am ready for abundance, I am ready for the new me, I am ready for the blessing, I am ready for the abundance, I am ready for the new me. I am ready for the blessing, I am ready for the abundance, I am ready for the new me. When you keep repeating affirmation like this, automatically you can become very receptive to the very divine energies which is going to be showered on you. Really, this tonight, this celestial event will be a turning point for many people's lives. We'll start relating to each other in a completely different way. Instead of relating each other as individual to individual, we'll have a more of a community based thinking. We'll start feeling even more better. We'll feel like we should really do much more to the universe around us. So let us make the best use of this energy and let God lift us and help us to have a very glorious future ahead. Thank you so much.